An independent lab has found a cancer-causing solvent in a popular brand of hand sanitizer. Back in March, lab workers at Valisure tested samples of Art Naturals hand sanitizers. They found that the samples were contaminated with benzene, a solvent made from petroleum that's directly linked to causing leukemia in humans. But the team's research with hand sanitizers was just the start of a disturbing trend. Over the past year, Valisure has found benzene in other everyday consumer products like sunscreen, antifungal sprays, and most recently, antiperspirant. On October 4th, the FDA published a notice saying it had also found unacceptable levels of benzene in Art Naturals hand sanitizers. A report finds the cost of birth complications in the United States in 2019 was $32.9 billion. That covers from birth to the first 5 years of their lives. The estimate works out to about $8,600 per mother and child. That figure puts the health problem on par with the expenses for some chronic diseases such as diabetes. The authors of the report say more needs to be done to address this situation. Another study showed more people in the U.S. experienced pregnancy complications during the pandemic than in 2019. A recent study of nearly 2 million people vaccinated against COVID-19 found that there are fewer severe reactions in breakthrough cases with Moderna and Pfizer's vaccine than Johnson & Johnson. A healthcare data startup studied data from 42 states and found that just 9% of vaccinated people who suffered a breakthrough infection were hospitalized, while that figure was 15% for recipients of J&J's vaccine. Up next, meet the mechanic who's installing new power into classic vehicles.